guys, this is the monitor right here, and I wanted to let you know that the price for this monitor is changing all the time. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this 32-inch LG curved monitor. Now, this monitor has two HDMI ports, a VGA port, and a headphone or speaker port as well. Now, the entire monitor is supported by this base right here, which has a very low profile design, but offers great support for this monitor. Now, this display offers a 32-inch curved design with a 100 Hz refresh rate and a full 1080p HD experience. The picture quality is really nice and clear, and because this monitor is so large, you have a lot of real estate to work with. This also means reading small text is a lot easier. Now, refresh rate refers to the smoothness or the fluidity of this monitor when watching videos, gaming, or even scrolling, and a 100 Hz refresh rate makes watching videos on this monitor or gaming on this monitor very smooth and seamless. Now, every LG monitor I've owned has had such vivid colors right out of the box without tweaking any of the settings, and this monitor is no exception. You can see just how beautiful the colors are on this monitor from this video. It is absolutely incredible just how good this monitor looks. Overall, guys, I can't say enough about this monitor. I am so impressed, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this monitor. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.